Imagine peering inside the human body with unprecedented clarity, witnessing the intricate dance of organs and tissues. This is the remarkable power of magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI, a technology that has revolutionized medical diagnostics. At the heart of MRI lies magnetism. Everything around us has a magnetic field. MRI uses strong magnetic fields to create body images. The body is mostly water. Water contains hydrogen atoms, tiny magnets. In an MRI, they align like compass needles. Radio waves disrupt this, emitting signals. Computers process these signals into images. MRI magnets are thousands of times stronger than Earth's field. Once the powerful magnetic field of the MRI machine aligns the hydrogen atoms in your body, a second crucial element comes into play: radio waves. These waves, similar to those used in radios and televisions, are emitted by the MRI machine in short bursts. When these radio waves reach the aligned hydrogen atoms, they cause them to briefly tilt away from their aligned position. As the hydrogen atoms return to their aligned state, they release energy in the form of faint radio signals. Think of it like a tuning fork. When struck, it vibrates at a specific frequency. Similarly, when radio waves hit the aligned hydrogen atoms, they resonate at a particular frequency, emitting their own unique signals. These signals are then detected by specialized antennas within the MRI machine. An MRI machine might seem like a mysterious, futuristic capsule, but beneath its sleek exterior lies sophisticated technology. At its core is a large superconducting magnet generating a powerful magnetic field. Surrounding it are gradient coils that control the magnetic field's shape and strength. The patient lies on a table that slides into the magnet. A computer system controls the scan, processing signals into detailed images. How MRI images are created. The powerful magnet aligns hydrogen atoms in the body. Radio waves cause these atoms to resonate and emit signals. Receiver coils detect these signals and send them to the computer. The computer uses Fourier transform to analyze and assign shades. Strong signals appear brighter, weaker ones darker. MRI has emerged as a cornerstone of modern medicine, offering a unique window into the human body and revolutionizing the way we diagnose and treat diseases. Unlike X-rays, which primarily visualize dense structures like bones, MRI excels at differentiating between soft tissues. This makes it an invaluable tool for examining organs, muscles, ligaments, tendons, and even the brain and spinal cord. MRI's ability to provide detailed cross-sectional images in any plane allows doctors to visualize anatomical structures from multiple angles. Moreover, MRI does not involve ionizing radiation, making it a safe option for patients of all ages, including pregnant women. For monitoring the progression of neurological diseases, MRI has become an indispensable tool across a wide range of medical specialties. MRI extends far beyond visualizing bones and joints. In neurology, it diagnoses strokes, brain tumors, and spinal cord injuries. Cardiologists evaluate heart structure and function. MRI visualizes blood vessels, diagnosing aneurysms and blockages. Oncologists detect and stage tumors, monitor treatments. Orthopedic surgeons diagnose ligament injuries and plan surgeries. MRI is essential across various medical specialties. The development of MRI is a testament to human ingenuity and scientific advancement. The first MRI scanners emerged in the late 1970s and early 1980s. Since then, MRI technology has advanced rapidly. Inform the technologist about any metal implants, as these can be affected by the magnetic field. Open MRI machines are available for patients who experience claustrophobia. MRI does not use ionizing radiation, making it safe for pregnant women and children. The field of MRI is constantly evolving, with researchers pushing the boundaries of this remarkable technology. AI is enhancing MRI image analysis, automating interpretation, and improving diagnoses. The future of MRI holds immense potential for improving human health. Magnetic resonance imaging is a remarkable fusion of physics, engineering, and medicine, revolutionizing our understanding of the human body. From its beginnings in physics labs to its indispensable role in modern medicine, MRI has come a long way. It reveals intricate details of our anatomy and the workings of our organs. MRI empowers doctors to diagnose diseases earlier and monitor treatments more accurately. Its impact on countless lives, improving outcomes, and enhancing quality of life is immeasurable.